Cry over spilled milk. To be upset over something that cannot be changed. There's no use crying over spilled milk. Just learn from your mistake and move on. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Don't depend on only one plan or option. You should apply to multiple universities. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. In hot water. In trouble. Ollie was in hot water for skipping school without permission. Kill two birds with one stone. To accomplish two things at once. By cycling to work, he kills two birds with one stone. Exercising and saving fuel. Read between the lines. To understand the hidden meaning. If you read between the lines, you'll realize he was not happy with the decision. On cloud 9. Very happy. She was on cloud 9 after winning the competition. No pain, no gain. Hard work leads to success. If you want to improve your grades, you must study hard. No pain, no gain. Be all ears. To listen attentively. The students were all ears when the teacher began telling a story. Keep an eye on. To watch carefully. Please keep an eye on my bag while I go to the restroom. Through thick and thin. In good and bad times. A true friend stays with you through thick and thin. In the same boat. In the same difficult situation. We are all in the same boat, preparing for the final exams.
If you like the video, like, share and subscribe.